So here's where things start to get really interesting. At the start of 2022, Crumble Cookies had 325 locations. But by the end of 2022, they had 688 locations open. That is 111% growth in 1 year. It's insane. But think about this for a second. They opened 363 locations in 1 year. It's a feat that would be nearly impossible to do as corporate stores, and it just shows the power of using the franchise model where you have individually and locally owned stores. There could be many reasons for their explosive growth, but I believe the biggest reason is due to their marketing, their unique business model, their cult-like following, and the fact that their average store financial performances crushes any of their competitors.